Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to activate your Humana Spending Account Card. Let's begin with the online method. Open a web browser on your device and go to the Healthy Benefits Plus Humana registration page. Once the page loads, you will be asked to enter your card details. Type in your card number, your zip code, and your date of birth. Make sure all the information is correct. Then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the activation process. After finishing these steps, your card should be ready to use. The next method is using your smartphone. Go to your App Store and search for the Healthy Benefits Plus app. Download and install it on your phone. Once installed, open the app and either sign in or create a new account. During registration, you will need to enter your card number, zip code, and date of birth. Follow the prompts, and your card will be activated within the app. Another option is to activate your card by phone. Dial this number on your phone. If you use a TTY device, you can dial 711. Listen to the automated instructions and enter your card information when asked. Once your details are confirmed, your card will be activated. In some cases, your card may already be active. Some Humana cards activate automatically the first time you use them at checkout. Now your card is ready and you can start using your benefits. Thanks for watching.